So how to read the elements into a list now? Let us define n is equal to 5. Let's say 10. Fine. And I need to read the elements. One second. You need to read the elements, 10 elements, so that you can use the loop for I in the range of n. Okay, so I need to, this is a reading function I'm writing, reading instructions or reading statements. I need to read 10 elements. Let's say x is an element which is going to be added to a list. Okay, fine. So before this I need to define a list. Okay, so now I am writing a reading of 10 elements. 10 elements. Okay, so I need to define an empty list. This will create an empty list. Okay, then I need to write a statement for I in the range of n. X is an element which is going to be appended to a list. X is equal to int input. Okay, so I'll write just to display a message so that you can understand very easily. Enter the element into list. Okay, it's fine. Next, this L is a list which the element which we read x, this x value has to be appended to this list. Okay, this is what reading of elements. That's it. Now if I come out from this loop, it will ask me to enter the 10 elements. Enter the element 1, 2, 4, 6, okay, 7, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, fine. So how many elements we have inserted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements. These are all, this is the basic function which is used to insert the element. Now what we need to do? So we need to find the sum of odd and sum of even numbers in the list. How many even numbers are present in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 evens. And for how many adds? 5 adds. So we need to find the sum of those separately. So for this, so what we need to do? We need to find out sum of odd. Okay, for we need to traverse entire list. Okay, for I in a range of n. Okay, if list of I mod 2. What does it mean? So we need to find out the even number, right? Whether the particular index value. Okay, fine. I'll just eliminate and show you the list. This is the list. Now I need to verify whether this is a even or odd. This is even or odd. This is even or odd. We need to visit each index of elements of index. Then we need to verify the index of this value, whether it is a even or odd. Whether it is even or odd. So how do you do that? So we know that this modulus operator, which is used to find out the remainder. Okay, so if remainder is equal to 0, that means to say that this number has been divided. If I divide any number by 2 and if it gives a remainder equal to 0, that means it is even, otherwise it is odd. Okay, for I in, so you understood, hope you understood this concept. Now we are writing to find sum of even and sum of odd. Okay, sum of odd numbers for I in a range of n. Okay, then uh, I in the range of n. Now I need to verify with each index value to see whether it is a even or odd. If L of 0, L of 1, L of 2 and so on. So I is an index now because we are not using the element directly. I in the range, right? So L of I mod 2. If the remainder, whatever the results we get here, if it is equal to 0, then it is even, right? So sum of even is equal to sum of even plus L of I. This is what the concept, this is what the logic. So before this, we need to initialize the sum of even is equal to 0. Okay, fine. So I'll just cut this. Sum of even is equal to 0. Sum of odd is equal to 0. It's fine. I'll paste it. That's fine. Sum of even is equal to sum of even plus L of I. This will give you sum of even numbers. Else, you can also add one more if condition, multiple if conditions to verify whether it is odd or not. Else it is odd. By default it's understood that sum of odd numbers equal to sum of odd plus L of I. L of I. So hope you understood this logic. Sum of even numbers and odd numbers. That's it. So I'll just come out. Put up and yeah. So here off is missing. So sum of even, sum of even, sum of odd is fine. Yes. So now there is no error. Now you can print what is the values of sum of even. You can also find out manually to verify the computer results and our own results calculations. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So sum of even is 18. Sum of even is 18. Correct. Now sum of odd, you just verify. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. Sum of odd, 23. So this is a program. You can also create a separate file, and you can write the complete program and execute. Of course, you can also use the IDE editors, like you people have been using. What is that? PyCharm IDE. You can type entire program and execute. So another program I gave in the explanation was read n elements into a list and sort in ascending order. You can use any sorting technique. Now I'll be using a bubble sort. Okay. Anyhow, we have elements of list. Now I need to sort this. Correct. So what is the bubble sort concept? You know, I'll define a temporary variable. Yeah, you need to use a temporary variable. Fine. For I in a range of, okay, n, fine, n minus 1, n minus 1. Again I'll use one more loop for I j, okay, j n range of n minus 1, but it start from what? It start from I, start from I, start from I, n minus 1 minus I. Let's see. If L of j is greater than L of j plus 1, okay, it's fine, then temp is equal to L of j is equal to L of j plus 1, L of j plus 1 is equal to temp. This is the logic. Let's see, it should not give any error. Yeah, fine. So what is list now? Is it sorted? Is it same? Yeah. Okay, I'll just rewrite it. Some of the elements are sorted, some of the elements are not sorted. Fine. I'll start from 0 itself. Let's see. What is there now? Yeah. So all elements are sorted now. This is how you can write a logic for a bubble sort. Fine. So you have one more beautiful function in the Python called as a sort. Sort function, which will automatically sort your entire elements. It doesn't matter whether it is an integer data types, whether it is a floating point, or whether it is a string. So I'll show you now. I'll define an empty list now. It's fine. So I'm going to insert some elements. L dot, fine, I'll just manually assign some values so that you can easily understand. Let it be 0 also. Fine, these are the elements. I'll just give L dot sort. What is L now? See. So this is the beautiful function of Python, which will sort automatically. It doesn't matter whether it is an integer data types or floating point data types. I'll also show you this one more with the help of string. Let us say this is a string which has the string value hello. Now I'll convert this into a list. L is a list. List of, we'll pass this yes. Now L holds the entire HELLOW. Now I would like to sort this. Okay, L dot sort. Fine. So what is L now? You can see EHLLOW. It's all sorted. So sort function is a beautiful function in the Python which will sort automatically. No need to write all these functions. Okay, so now this is the end of your list chapter. You can consider some of the homework problems. You can also have you can study by yourself matrix concept, in Python. Of course, it is not there in your syllabus, but you can go through it and do the addition of matrix and multiplication of matrix. Okay, so this is for your homework, and I'll be posting some of the other case study programs in the group. Okay, thank you. Good luck.